It is spring cleaning time. Time to attack the kitchen. It's been a while and I think I've got my hands full. I gotta clean off this, that. Clean the stove. That hasn't been done in a year. All this crud was behind there. Ugh. And then we are also doing the laundry room, trying to clean this up a little bit, make it more clean so you can walk in there. But it gets mud season every time it rains or snows from outside, and everybody comes in this door, so it makes it nasty through here. So we are on a cleaning journey. So I've already started sweeping. Then I decided to stop because this is going to make a mess, and I'll sweep then and clean off everything, kind of put stuff away where it goes and make it all nice and clean today. So this is the project today, and I will come back on when I get fairly cleaned off, like when I get this cleaned off, when I get the stove cleaned off behind here, and then I'll be back. Okay, we have gotten, that door is just awful, it needs to be replaced, but this floor in here is cleaned up as much as I can get it. I mean, everything is still on top of there. My laundry room's not done yet, so it's gonna be, until these washer and dryers come out of here, I can't fully clean this floor underneath there and everything. But for the most part, this part's done. This part's done up to inside the kitchen is done. And we have no baseboards right there, so that's not gonna happen. So I did get the stove cleaned off. I don't know how to get inside that glass clean. I still gotta clean inside there, but that's not gonna be today. So I left off with the stove. Now to get behind there and get this kitchen floor done. So I will be back. Okay, I got behind the stove. Remember how bad that was? Those little marks right there are rust marks. And I think I've tried to get it up the last couple of years and it wouldn't come up. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to put Comet or something on there and let it soak. But I need to put my stove back, so that might be something I do later on. But remember how gunky it was? So that's all clean now, so I can put my stove back. And I washed off this part. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the toaster oven yet, but I am going to move it, I'm sure. But for now, that's where we stand with that, and I'll be back with the next part. Okay, we've got the kitchen. I still have to clean out the microwave, but I did the counter. Inside the stove needs to be done, but all the cabinets and everything are wiped down. I just gotta finish these 2 shelves, figure out what I'm gonna do with that stuff up there on the window. And then this is all cleaned off. And it's time to make some banana bread, it looks like. So there we go. So we don't have kickboards underneath, so I still have to get down underneath there and clean that up down there. But other than that, everything is finished. So I will be back when the rest of it's done. Hey everybody, I forgot to end the video after cleaning up the kitchen. And I just wanted to show you I did finish cleaning those cabinets there. I do still have to redo the floor since I cleaned it a couple weeks ago. It's a mess again, and we just had a little birthday from my puppy dogs, but it is all done, and I just have to finish putting stuff away. You can see how much quickly it accumulates again. But anyway, I just wanted to say thanks for y'all watching, and we appreciate it, and love y'all to death, and I will see you again soon in the next video. Thanks, bye.